students, today's video is about CBSE 10th standard English. Now the exam is going to appear on 27, correct? आप 27 को एग्जाम देने वाले हैं इंग्लिश की. I am going to tell you how to solve the paper. Yes, because my dear, presentation plays a great role, a very vital role, a very influential role. Correct? So let's discuss. CBSE English paper is allotted for how many marks? 40 marks. 40 marks. Because of this COVID pandemic, they have changed the format. English का आपका पहला पेपर है. It is said, well begun is half done. अगर इंग्लिश का पेपर अच्छा गया, believe me, you will get individually boosting for other paper. इसलिए पहला पेपर बढ़िया जाना चाहिए. Are you ready? So here I am going to tell you how to solve the paper in a very perfect way and in a very matured way. Correct? अगर प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छा है, वे ऑफ राइटिंग अच्छे है, श्योरली द एग्जामिनर हैप्पीली अलाउड्स मोर मार्क. ओके, इसलिए आपका पेपर में प्रेजेंटेशन बढ़िया होना जरूरी है. इट्स वेरी कंपल्सरी, इट्स वेरी ऑब्लिगेटरी. एंड हियर सम टिप्स आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. प्लीज फॉलो द टिप्स. पेपर में 3 सेक्शंस है. फर्स्ट सेक्शन रीडिंग, सेकेंड राइटिंग स्किल एंड ग्रामर, एंड थर्ड इज लिटरेचर. 3 sections are there. First is reading, that is for 10 marks. Writing and grammar, writing skill and grammar, 5 plus 5, 10 marks. And literature, that is your textual content, 20 marks. Paper का format very clear है. First and second question are allotted for unseen passage. देखो बच्चों लोग, उसका नाम है unseen passage. So it's a quite lengthy passage and question will be asked based on it. Unseen passage solve करने का एक बढ़िया तरीका है. Yes, पहले कभी भी देखो अनसीन पैसेज सॉल्व करते वक्त फर्स्टली रीड द क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन पढ़ने से क्या होता है कि वी नो द डेप्थ ऑफ अनसीन पैसेज, वी नो द कंटेंट, वी नो द सेंट्रल आइडिया. इसलिए कभी भी अनसीन पैसेज सॉल्व करते वक्त प्लीज आई रिक्वेस्ट यू गो फॉर क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन पढ़ने के बाद यू नो द टोटल कुंडली और फॉर्मेट और सेंट्रल आइडिया ऑफ द पैसेज एंड श्योरली इट हेल्प्स अ लॉट. तो पहले आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे, पैसेज आएगा. Each passage will appear for 5 marks, and in that one they will ask you 6 questions. Out of 6 आपको लिखने के हैं. You have to write 5 questions. You can write extra also, nothing matter. लेकिन आंसर लिखने का there is a wonderful style. कभी भी आंसर लिखते वक्त each question carries 1 mark. How many marks? 1 mark. And for that you have to be very careful. कभी देखो क्वेश्चन किस में पूछा गया है, कौन से टेंस में पूछा गया है, वी शुड बी केयरफुल अबाउट दैट. अगर क्वेश्चन व्हाट डज द राइटर एक्सपेक्ट, द राइटर एक्सपेक्ट्स. क्यों? क्वेश्चन डज में है. व्हाट विल द राइटर एक्सपेक्ट, द राइटर विल एक्सपेक्ट. क्यों? क्वेश्चन विल में है. प्लीज रेस्पेक्ट द क्वेश्चन और टेंस ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. जैसा क्वेश्चन, जैसा रिचार्ज वैसा टॉक टाइम, जैसा क्वेश्चन वैसा आंसर. Am I right? If the question is in does form, the answer should be in simple present tense. If the question is in did form, the answer should be in past tense form. So please take care or please respect the tense of the question. Got it? So that plays a role. और कभी भी देखो क्वेश्चन को कंटिन्यू करने का. What does the writer expect from the youth of India? The writer expects from the youth of India. फिर carry on. Cut answer मत लिखो. Please don't write cut answer. Write out full sentence. It helps a lot. And does में क्वेश्चन है तो we use simple present tense. Past tense है, use past tense. So please take care. And first letter capital. Follow all the punctuation rules. And please, once again I repeat, follow punctuation rule. Capital letter बाकी लेटर से बड़ा होना चाहिए because capital is the captain of sentence. फिर आप पूछेंगे सर what must be the length of the answer for 1 mark? 2 or 3 lines are sufficient. Sometimes 2 lines are also sufficient. Correct? It depends on that strength of that answer. Okay? लेकिन don't write cut answer, short answer, or only just like objective. No. Please take care. So check 6 questions will be there. Out of 6 you have to solve 5, and 2 passages will be there. 5 into 2, 10 marks are there. Once again I repeat. Unseen passage. Firstly read questions. After that passage. Is it okay? बाद में please respect tense of the question. And number 3, don't write cut answer, write full answer. Okay? Means question को continue करो. Just earlier I told you. And after each question, keep 1 line space. Don't make paper a very shabby one. ज्यादा उसमें गर्दा मत करो बेटा. my dear. So her answer के बाद keep one line space. It looks good. Take care of capital letters and take care of punctuation rules. Is it okay? जहां पे क्वेश्चन खत्म होता है प्लीज अंडरलाइन. इट शोज दैट हियर क्वेश्चन गेट्स फिनिश. जहां पे क्वेश्चन खत्म होता है, सब क्वेश्चन नहीं, मेन क्वेश्चन खत्म, क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट पूरे आंसर खत्म हो गए, अंडरलाइन. यू कैन एड एक्स्ट्रा ऑल्सो. Suppose 6 questions are there, you can write 6 also. So best 5 will be taken. Best 5 is that sequence wise. Okay. Next one, there is writing skill and grammar. In writing skill, there is analytical paragraph. You know, one diagram, pie diagram will be given, and you have to write a paragraph. Yes, so you have to write a paragraph. उसके और भी लेटर आता है, तो you will be confused what to be chosen. I strongly recommend that you should go for later. You should go for later. It helps a lot. Later में क्या है, you get more marks. But I'm going to make a special video on how to write later. In our next video, I will tell that. But in meantime, in analytical paragraph format, firstly title. Title, make a box to it. After that, first 5 line introductory and next 10 line main body. If you are going for analytical paragraph. अगर आप लेटर में जा रहे हैं तो जस्ट इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल टेल यू द फॉर्मेट ऑफ दिस वन. आपको फॉर्मेट मालूम है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सेंटर एड्रेस, करेक्ट, वन लाइन स्पेस, डेट, वन लाइन स्पेस. Yes, actually not sorry. I'm very sorry. First should be your address, one line space, date, correct. बाद में सेंटर एड्रेस to the manager etc. लेकिन टू लिखना बंद हो गया. Don't worry. In next video I will explain properly. After that there is salutation and after that there is subject and after that respected sir. अब इसके बारे में there is small controversy कि subject पर first लिखना कि salutation first लिखना. Both are accepted. I repeat, both are accepted. Generally subject first आता है, बाद में salutation लिख सकते हैं, or you can write salutation first, subject later. But the correct conventional pattern is firstly subject, बाद में salutation. Once I repeat, first your address with date, if possible pin code. Second, addressee जिसको हम लिख रहे हैं. After that there is subject. After that salutation, respected sir. After that 5 line introductory paragraph, 10 line main body. Lastly ending yours faithfully ABC, or your name, best way your name. So this is the correct format of letter. Analytical paragraph or letter writing, I will strongly recommend you should go for letter writing. Okay, it helps a lot and it will be easy. So 5 marks allotted for that, for paragraph or maybe letter. बाद में आ जाओ, there is grammar. Grammar में my dear, they will ask indirect speech, reported speech, or they will ask editing. You know that, edit the passage, or maybe use correct verb form or tense. Mostly reported speech, editing, or sometimes they ask tenses also. So here take care for editing, make a good format, a box, table, and reported speech. Please follow the rules. Indirect speech rules आपको मालूम होगी. Yes, you may know or you are familiar with that one. And tenses also, you should write the correct tense. So please go for these 3 major topics. In editing, they may ask preposition, they may ask article, modals, any other, determiners, suppose. But my dear, at any cost, paper should be clean. जितना पेपर अच्छा रहेगा उतने अच्छे मार्क आएंगे. नो स्क्रैचिंग, नथिंग एल्स. ओके, बाद में आ जाओ सेक्शन सी, लास्ट सेक्शन लिटरेचर, दैट फॉर 20 मार्क्स, which is divided into 2 parts. First, short answer and last, long answer. In short answer, you will be given 7 questions. Out of 7, you have to write 6 questions. But here again, be careful. 2 mark के लिए कम से कम 4 to 5 lines. Minimum 4, maximum 6 lines. More than enough. Yes, content wise. Mostly your answer sheet in horizontal way. So 1 or 2 lines you can adjust, nothing matter. But please take care of tense. Mostly questions literature के they are in past tense. Mostly mostly. अगर poem के हैं they are in present tense. Did में है तो sentence, all sentence should be in past tense. Does में है mostly poem questions are in do or does form. That time you should know that you should use present tense. Okay. बाद में long answer. 3 questions will be asked. Out of 3, 2 have to be written. You have to write 2. Each question carries 4 marks. 4 into 2, 8 and 2 into 6 12. अब जो क्वेश्चन 4 मार्क के लिए है, यू शुड रेस्पेक्ट द लेंथ ऑल्सो. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि आप 5 लाइन लिख रहे हैं एंड ही विल गिव यू 4 मार्क्स. एटलीस्ट यू आर राइट 10 to 12 lines with proper content, punctuation rules, vocabulary, etc. Then only he will give out of marks. Okay, and take care of punctuation rules, capital rules, tense, and all the format. Content, I repeat once again. This question by content is very important. Second, punctuation rule. Third, respect that question format. And please take care of clarity and presentation. I strongly once again recommend that paper should be written with a very prospective, clean and very clean way. Presentation बहुत ही अच्छा होना चाहिए. Then only you can expect good marks. और English is your first paper. अगर पहला पेपर अच्छा गया तो it will give confidence to other paper. अभी मैं इसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो बनाने जा रहा हूँ, means I am going to make one more video about specially letter writing and one more is analytical paragraph. So please take care. फिर आप सोचेंगे आप सर what to be done or how to study for English. First thing, read literature. Second, read a good reference book for questions. Any publication, all publications are good. And after that, solve at least 10 unseen passage. If you are going for English paper, which is the first one, so please solve at least 10 unseen passage. After that, check your answer with the model answers. After that, solve at least 10 sentences of indirect speech or 20 sentences. Do some practice of editing and some practice of tenses. Once again, I just request you go for this letter writing. At least solve 5 letters. Right, solve is right, and 1 or 2 analytical paragraph. Okay. So in my next video, I will tell you how to write good letter and how to write analytical paragraph. After that, take care of these questions. For these questions, I request you please read literature carefully and reference books. Okay, it is not possible. It's highly impossible that you are going to exam like picnic. No, you have to do practice and you have to read literature at any cost. Textbook पहले पढ़ो बेटा. The textbook that is prescribed by CBSE. Please read textbook first, and after that, reference book. So best of luck for your paper, and surely you will get good marks. But take care of presentation, new question on new page. Take care of punctuation rules. Take care of content, and at any cost, paper should be clean and neat. Okay. So till then, best of luck. May God bless you, and you will surely get good marks. Thank you.